Hi guys, welcome back to Real Cafe Girl here. So as you can see here that today I'm gonna show you how to cook tempeh. So if you haven't subscribed to us yet, like me and my husband also do help me some as well on Real Cafe Girl, please be kindly subscribe to our channel, like this video if you like it, give it a thumb up, and if you ring the bell you will see some more content as well, not just only cooking, and have makeup, and we do cat review, some of the stuff that I use every day normally, so I'm gonna share with you. But anyway, what is tempeh? Now I did not know what it was either because it sounds cute. It's originated from Indonesia. I from Thailand. And okay, let's read this. Tempeh is traditional Indonesian soy food made by a natural culturing and controlled fermentation process. It has a nutty mushroom flavor and firm meat-like texture. Tempeh is highly versatile in cooking. It's vegan, natural and fresh, and it's get the 5 health star here, and it's pretty much 99% Australian made. And it's, I like this brand. There is any other brand as well, but so far what I have tried, this is my favorite one. Okay, it's from Nutri Soy. They have the other product as well from soy that I like, but the tempeh one so far, this is my personal favorite. So it's really nice. Some people steam them with some sweet soy, or you can put in the curry, you can put in the stir fry if you like. But the way I like the most is to cook in the coconut oil with a little bit of curry powder. So you can freeze this if you want to, but generally it's in the fridge. Not all the shops have them. I would link the website. Some shops sell certain products from this company, but some is not. So what you're gonna need is, of course, tempeh. You need curry powder, any curry powder you like, but that's just happen to be the one that I like to use. And also gado sauce, or you can't find any satay sauce would do. Okay, I don't make my own because it's too busy for that. Any coconut oil, that's what I like to cook because get that nice crispy smell. So when you open the bag, there is another package in there. It looks kind of like cheese, firm, squishy kind of texture. So what I'm gonna do, I usually cut them. So this is the inside of the tempeh. This look like this. It's like a compressed soy bean. Okay. Oops. It smell like mushroomy. I think after it's cooked, it tastes like peanut butter. That's why I really like it, because it's really good. Anyway, it doesn't look super appetizing. It's like look like the more on the outside look like. Most people would look at this and you would think it's no good, it's off, or it's moldy basically. But it looks similar, somewhat like kind of brie cheese, kind of more. So you know. So here we go. So I'm just gonna cut into like a medium size bite-size cube. And for the salad, gado salad, of course, I'm looking at it. Which is Indonesian salad with some prawn cracker or vegetable cracker, satay, gado sauce with some vegetable, tofu, and some boiled egg. And some of them have, it's a different variety of them. But sometimes it's hard to find in Sydney. The good one is one place that I like is in Fremont. It's called Willie's Canteen. It's really nice there. Anyways, now we're gonna get this ready. This should be enough for 2. It's good alternative for vegan people. It's gluten free too, I believe. There's no gluten in there. It didn't advertise as gluten. I'm not 100% sure. They didn't say gluten free, so just I'll have a little read and I will let you know the link down below. But I don't see it's not too hot, so I put it on medium heat. mussel. So just gonna put a little bit of coconut oil.
Start it up.
Yeah. It's like shallow fry them a little bit. Give it try and see if it's hot enough. It hasn't got good sizzling, so we're gonna turn up the heat a little bit. You can just smell the coconut oil. So just wait a couple of seconds until start to bubbling, sizzling a little bit. So slowly put it in there. I need to add a little bit more oil. A little bit more oil. It's hot. Careful when you cook. Sizzling, I just put another teaspoon of oil because when you turn it, like the oil soak up the tempeh a little bit. The tempeh soak up the oil a little bit. So you're gonna quickly turn and get good everything. If you're vegan, you will love it.
So good. You never heard of it before. Good Asian grocery in Thai town is supposedly good for you. So go Google it and see what else good for you. But it's quite a common item in Indonesian cuisine. As you're learning as well, I do love a lot of different type of food, so it's nice to explore some ingredients. But sometimes you find your own way how to cook them. But sometimes you're surprised with what it's seriously.
See now, it start to get golden brown, and the oil that's soaked into the tempeh has just really. I'm gonna put curry powder, say half a tablespoon. I just slowly sprinkle all over because it's cold, and just have a quick stir just to cook off that curry powder. Oh my god, you should be able to smell. And just turn the heat down, guys. You don't wanna burn your curry powder, but you want to cook them as well. So just leave it up. It's too hot. Give it a little blow. Asian grocery sell some, even some supermarkets sell them as well in here. So what I do, I just open up the can and I just put in a pot, or you can just put it in microwave if you want to, but I put in a pot just to warm them up like so. So just to release some of the oil. Okay. So warm sauce, warm food. Now guys, time for plating and tasting the tempeh, okay? So, I got here tempeh from the pans. Oops, the light. So I'm gonna chuck it in a bowl. Be careful, it's really hot. You can feel it's crispy. Now, I'm gonna leave one out to try. So you can see what it looks like inside. And this one is the gado-gado sauce. And I'm just gonna pour them on top. Not too much, you always have dippy sauce on the side. Then, because we are in Australia and we love avocado, so if you have avocado, it's nice. This can be as a meal with some salad by itself. There you go guys, that's is tempeh with gado-gado sauce or satay sauce, if you whatever you like to call them. And we're just gonna cut them out and see and try. I'm gonna cut them in how it's hot. So this is so seriously, you have to try. You have never tried this, please do try. It tastes like peanut butter. So good. So if you want a little bit of sauce in there, be careful, it's hot. With a little bit of avocado left in here. So good. Vegan choices. You have to go and try it. So don't know what it is, give it a go next time, and see you guys next time. Enjoy eating. Bye.